Hey everyone, my name is Carmen and welcome to a new store-bought slime review video. Today I'll be showing you the slimes that I purchased from Target, but some of them can also be purchased from Amazon. Some of the Amazon links are down below, and make sure to subscribe and like this video if you enjoy my videos, and also check out my Instagram for some more content. In this video, I'll be reviewing 2 big slime buckets and a variety 6-pack. Also a reminder that Slimeowy.com restocks October 24th Sunday at 2 p.m. PST. Let's begin with our first bucket of slime. This is called Butter Cloudz from Compound Kings or We Cool. The packaging for this one is super cute and I love the black cap. It really reminds me of another butter bucket slime that I purchased from Compound Kings at Target a couple months ago. Inside this bucket, there is a pastel pink butter slime scented just like sweet cotton candy. The texture of this one does feel very similar to the orange butter bucket from my previous review, and it pretty much just feels like a super creamy scented clay. It does have a slight wet feeling which allows it to be super creamy. This one is also slightly sizzly and it's just really fun to squeeze and squish. It's super soft and smooth, and this specific one is a lot creamier and softer than the orange bucket. Honestly, it's a pretty great buy if you're looking for a soft and creamy slime, or if you just want to use it as clay. If you keep watching, I did test it out and add some of this clay into a clear slime. I'll be testing it out with this pink clear slime that has a couple of sprinkles in it. It's super cute. I added some pink clay on top and mixed it up. Of course, it's very soft and really easy to mix in. And once fully mixed, the texture is very soft, squishy, and poofy, and it's just lightly scented like cotton candy. This clay is great to make soft, creamy, and inflatable clay slimes. Our next slime bucket is a mermaid one with 3 different colors from Nickelodeon. This one is the same price as the first slime bucket, which is $10, and it's pretty heavy and has a variety of slimes. And of course, it is mermaid themed, so it has a purple clear slime with shell glitters in it, a clear gold slime, and a blue slime. After opening it up, I did notice that some of the slimes did mix a little, but that's not a huge problem. We'll start off with the purple clear slime. All of these slimes are unscented, and from my first pull of this purple slime, it isn't very stretchy, but I love how clear it is and how it's both purple and blue. The pink seashell sequins are super adorable and add a little crunch to the slime. This texture wasn't sticky at all and really reminds me of a coated clear slime. It's very squishy, semi-jiggly, and it is pretty stretchy if you don't stretch it with too much force. This one is super clicky and fun to poke, and overall it's not a bad slime. You just have to be careful when stretching it. It does make nice bubble pops and it's super gorgeous, and I think for the price it's pretty good. Next, we'll be trying out the slime in the middle. As you can see, the top part did mix a little bit and there's a bit of blue slime in it, but on the bottom, you can tell that it's supposed to be a gold clear slime. The gold clear slime did have a slight gooey texture, which kind of reminds me of some other clear putty slimes that are store-bought. This one wasn't as clicky as the first one, but it does have more of a putty-like texture. It's jiggly and squishy as well, semi-stretchy, and also makes nice bubble pops. The blue part of the slime didn't have that gooey coated feeling, so it actually made the slime a lot better, and it turned the slime into a gold shimmery turquoise color. The last slime in this mermaid slime bucket is this super glossy and clicky blue slime. This one is definitely the clickiest and stretchiest of the three, and I just love the overall color of this one. Even though it's the stretchiest of the three, it's still more of a slow stretch slime at times. The glossiness looks really good in this slime, and it also makes really nice bubble pops, better than the other slime. Here I decided to mix all three slimes up, and they are all unscented and they pretty much just smell like all other unscented store-bought slimes, kind of like paint. When fully mixed, the texture is a hybrid of a three, so semi-stretchy, great for bubble pops and pokes. Next up, we have this rainbow variety slime pack from Play-Doh, and there are 6 of them, all different colors with 3 different sizes. Judging from the box, there are 5 different textures. There is a regular slime, a stretchy slime, a foam, a cloud, and 2 crackles. I paid around $15 for this box of slimes, and they were all packaged in their plastic containers inside this box. We'll be starting off with the blue foam slime, which was the only one in a clear container that was also sealed. This is a blue crunchy microfoam slime, and there are a lot of beads in it that makes it super crunchy, but as you can tell, it arrives sticky. I did add some borax solution or my activator into it to make it less sticky, eventually added more, and it didn't work out. The slime stayed sticky, so I couldn't really enjoy playing with it. It is still very crunchy though, but I'm just sad I wasn't able to fix it. All of the Play-Doh slimes are unscented, so this one just smells kind of like paint. Next up, we have this vibrant red slime that is called a Cloud, but it's not a cloud slime. It just feels like a matte clay slime. It does have a bit of gloss to it, and check out that cute little bubble. This one is unscented as well, so it smells just like paint. And this texture is very soft, very creamy and smooth. I would say it's slightly underactivated, so if your hands were really warm, it would stick to you. It's not too sticky for me, but I would want to activate it to make it my preferred texture, but activator doesn't work for this one either. This one is still an amazing texture. It's super smooth and buttery and also semi-inflatable. But I do want to point out that if you are purchasing these Play-Doh slimes, there is a risk that it might be sticky and you won't be able to fix it with borax. Next up, we have this neon pink super stretch slime. It is super glossy, super clicky, and feels really gooey. This one feels super squishy and jiggly like all those other jiggly putty slimes, except that it is super stretchy, like very surprisingly. The ASMR for it isn't that great since it's not clicky or doesn't make great bubble pops, but it does make those sloshy, slimy noises. Overall, not too bad. It's not that sticky, but the scent is a little weird. It is unscented, but it kind of smells like a pet store to me. So I don't really see myself grabbing this one. Next, we have the regular Play-Doh slime. This one is a yellow shimmery one, so it has a pearl-like color. I love the overall color, and the texture does feel very similar to the stretchy one. It is squishy, slightly thin, very jiggly. Doesn't make great ASMR, just a tad bit less stretchy than the first. This one is unscented as well, but also has that same odor that smells or reminds me of a pet store. Next, we have this mini green slime called the Green Krackle, and it is a clear-based slime with green little beads in it, and it really reminds me of grapes. The clear slime in it was stretchy and thick, and it was slightly sticky, so I tried to activate it, and that didn't work as well. Honestly, it would have been a pretty great slime if it wasn't so sticky. Lastly, we have another mini slime, and this is an orange Krackle slime, which is the same as the first green one, but orange. I love the color. The texture is really nice, but it is sticky. It does make nice bubble pops, and if you just maybe try leaving it in the fridge, it might not be as sticky. For this specific Play-Doh slime kit, since the slimes can get sticky and you're not able to fix it with some borax, I wouldn't really risk it. Anyways, that is all for the slime review video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!